Hello! This is a game for kids. It's a small bird. It's a big bird. Let's repeat. It's a small bird. It's a big bird. The big bird can sing. We have a bird. Let's feed it. Let's feed the bird. Reach your right and left hands, one by one. Big bird.
Nom 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 nom.
Small bird.
Nom 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 nom.
Big bird.
Nom 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 nom.
Small bird.
Nom 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 nom.
Big bird.
Nom 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 nom.
Small bird.
Nom 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 nom.
Big bird.
Nom 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 nom.
Small bird.
Nom 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 nom.
Big bird.
Nom 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 nom.
Big bird. Small bird. Brilliant! Let's learn your right and left hands. This is the right hand. This is the left hand. I have a big bird in my right hand. I have a small bird in my left hand. Let's feed the bird. Reach your right and left hands, one by one. I have a big bird in my right hand. I have a small bird in my left hand. One by one. Right hand. Big bird. Left hand. Small bird. Right hand. Big bird. Left hand. Small bird. Right hand. Big bird. Left hand. Small bird. Right hand. Big bird. Brilliant! Bye bye! Subscribe for my channel. Good job!